Jacinto sa rebound. Brahim, Kumibog. 2 points, Brahim. 61-63, and people of NB Miners. Ni Harris. Wala. Pushing foul. Manresa. Second 63-61 for the final quarter. Connect. 62-63. 1 point lead MB Miners. Last 1 and 17 seconds. 63-62 in favor of MB Miners. Ibanez. Toby Harris. Balik kay Ibanez. Ibanez ngayon. Dumidiskarte. Apat Manresa. Cheka Labe. Wala. Rebound by si Rox Agore. Jacinto. Hindi ako marinig. 55 seconds. Jacinto. Last 50. Jacinto. Brahim. Serve to shoot. Si Rox Agore. By foul. By free throw. Si Agore. By free throw si Agore. Connect. Hablang score. 63 all. Connect. 2 1 points Agore. 64-63. And people of Jasmine Pharmacy. Ibanez. Ni Harris. Ibanez. Si Calabe. Agbong. Wala. Takwal. Tagore. Foul by si Calabe. Last 18 seconds. 63-64. By dalawang free throw si Tagore. Connect. 65-63. 2 point lead. Jasmine Pharmacy. 65-63. Wala. Last 18 seconds. Ibanez. Si Calabe. Ibanez. Labang pa rin ang dalawang Jasmine. Si Calabe. Ibanez. Wala. Rebound. Oh! Jacinto. Running. Jasmine. Deserves the final shot. Jasmine